welcome to mine and Tammy's. Tammy gives a smile. Sprinter conversion. So, we've missed out the first bit because it's pretty straightforward. We've just taken all the panels off these walls, and now it's the grimy part. Some oil spillage that we have to clean up. So next what you want to do is bucket of soapy water, some heavy duty grease cleaner, clean the inside of the van. And next we'll be sanding down the rust, putting some rust treatment on it. So back to the time lapse. Here we are, Tami. The van has been cleaned out as best as we can. We've got this oil and glue patch up which was used to secure the floor a bit more, I guess, but it was a bit of a pain to get up. And now it's time for a rust treatment, isn't it, Tami? Rust, we've been pretty good with this van. There's only a few bits, it's in pretty good shape. So what we want to do is, we want to wire brush any loose debris off. We will then want to sand it down, and then once we've got it to a smooth surface, clean all the crap that you pulled off it, then you want to take rust converter. And what this is this is phosphoric acid, and basically it works its way into the metal, eats at the oxide, and reverts it back to its raw form. Now people have had mixed reviews about that, but I thought, well, it's only £6, so I thought we'd just go for it, belt and braces type thing. Once that's dry after a few hours, we'll take this extremely old car paint it white, see how it looks. If it's not up to the job, we'll buy some Hammerite. So this is the rust converter after 5 hours drying. Don't know if you can see, but it's slightly purple. And if it doesn't go purple, you need to apply a second coat. It's gone from an orange rusty to a purple black colour. So now we're just going to spray paint it and then we're done.